this person has done 4,000 orders, and this person charges somewhere around like 1900 rupees. Okay, so you can see like it's a massive market, guys. This person has alone made over 20,000 USD. Hey guys, this is Supriyo Choudhury, and in this video I'm going to show you basically how to make Fiverr logo using free tools. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, like this is Fiverr.com. Okay, Fiverr is a freelancing platform, and it's perhaps the biggest freelancing platform out there. Okay, so guys, if you search logo design over here, you can see that the logo design is perhaps most demanding niche in Fiverr. Okay, and Fiverr is not like other freelancing platforms. You know, it has like literally it has 60 million visitors every single month. Okay, so this platform has so many buyers. Then logo design will definitely be of a trending niche because everyone needs a logo. Like if you're starting a brand, if you're starting your personal website or online store, whatever, you need a logo. Okay, so guys, as you can see, there is over 110,000 services available for logo design. So you can see how demanding this niche is. Okay, and people have won millions from this simple service. Okay, so if you click on this person has done 4,000 orders, and this person charges somewhere around like 1900 rupees. Okay, so you can see like it's a massive market, guys. This person has alone made over 20,000 USD. Okay, so if you open this person has done 1800 orders, and he has 36 orders in queue, and this person charges 35 USD. So 35 into 18, if you 1800, if you see, it's almost like 54,000 USD worth of orders which he has already done, and he has 36 into 35 USD. You can imagine, guys, almost 900 USD worth of orders in queue. So guys, if you are in the logo design niche, and if you are willing to learn how to deliver, how to make and deliver logo to your clients, so I'm going to show you how to make logo using two free tools. Okay, both of these tools which I'm going to show you are free, so you can use them to design your Fiverr logo and then deliver the same to your clients. Okay, so one of the tool which I'm going to show you is designevo.com. It's I will give you the link in my description, so don't worry about that. Designevo.com. What this platform does is basically it is auto generated. You know, like you type the name here, yeah, you can like customize it. It is auto generated. But this platform which I'm going to show you, you can like make the logo from scratch over here. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways today. One is creating from scratch, one is artificial intelligence generated. Okay, so AI generated. So as you can see, guys, this is I'm on Design Evo, and if you click on make a free logo, and now it is loading. Okay, so you can see, guys, there you can see designs. Okay, like this, you can scroll down. Okay, you can see these designs, and you can easily create a logo from this. Okay, like let's suppose I select this one, customize. I click on the customize button, and it's opening in another tab. Okay, so now what I need to do is just basically edit the text name and the slogan. Okay, so let's suppose I'm making this logo for a basketball team, maybe, you know. So pro athletics. So I put in here, and I can easily put a slogan like game is life. So you can customize whatever you want, and you can move this around, you can move this above, and you can do whatever you want with this. You can change fonts, you can change font from here. Okay, you can change the colors from here by clicking here. So whatever you want, you can do, guys. So pro athletics, I'm going to make it shorter, and I'm going to put it like this. Okay, So guys, again now I can change the colors from here. You can easily change the color from here. Okay, so I change the color. And guys, if you want to make the logo a bit more stand out, okay, what you can do is just you can make the first word in some other colors like this. Will show you. Okay, what you need to do is go on to the text option. Okay, and also you can you don't need to come over here. You can do text from here as well, but you can what you can do is just click on this. Okay, and then you click on Control C, and then you click over here, and then you click on Control V. Okay, so what I did is basically just copy pasted the words, so I don't have to add the text and boxes and fonts everything again. Okay, so what I can do is just shift it a bit. Okay, and here I can write Pro Athletics. Will make it a bit more large, fit this. Okay, now I will what I will do is I will change the color. So let me adjust it a bit. It's very easy, guys. Logo designing is very easy right now. Previously it would have been impossible without designers, but nowadays it's very simple. Okay, so guys, you can select colors from here. So if I select black, so as you can see that this color is black right now. And so guys, this is a pretty good logo which you can say, you know. So you can change the color of this as well, maybe something to like this color or this color or this color, this color, whatever, guys. You can change it to anything. Okay, like I change it to this one. And you can see, guys, this is a pretty good logo, and game is life is slogan is also there. After you're done, you click on download here, and then they are showing you some plans. You don't need to worry about those. Okay, you come over here, and then you click on download a low resolution free logo. Okay, and then you can sign up here, or you can sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook, and then once you sign up, you can download the logo from here. Okay, guys, so that's it for our first free tool. Okay, for the second free tool which I'm going to show you, it's logo maker dot thehot.com. Okay, so you can make a logo from here as well, but what you need to do is you have to create from scratch. Okay, so those people who are actually like looking to make logo, but they have some designing skills and they're looking to make from scratch, so they don't need to use Photoshop. They can make the logo from here. So first we have to select an icon. So we come to add shape, and we can select an icon. Okay, so you can select here. So I will click on see more symbols because I am not liking whatever it is here. Okay, so there are categories as well, so you can select from here. Let's suppose you're in art and design niche, so you can come over here and you can select anything from here. Okay, so you can scroll down as well, so you can find more and more shapes. Okay, so I can use this one. Okay, so I select on this one, and it comes here, as you can see. Now what I will do, guys, I can change the color from here. Like if I want to change the color of this one, okay, I can do anything. See, it is turning black. Okay, like blue, it can be anything, guys. You can change the colors and everything according to you. Okay, it's fully customizable, so that's why I recommended this platform to you as well. Okay, now what I will do is just we have added the icon. So right now we have to add the text. So I click on add text, and a text bar will pop up over here, and now you can still enter the text. Let's suppose my oops. Okay, so let's suppose I have launched a painting course, and let's suppose it's my painting course Pro Painters. Instead of my painting course, I will name it Pro Painters. So you can select and you can change the fonts like this. Okay, now I will show you how to change the fonts and etc, etc. Okay, so you can select the color from here, and you can change it as you want. Okay, like this. Okay, you can change it to whatever you want, as you can see. Okay, I will make it blue, and I will delete the first row from here. and I will basically create another text. So what I will do is just Control C, Control V, and Control V. It's just a minute, creating some issues here. Okay, no problem. I will add the text from here. So I will add text from here, and I will write Pro. Okay, and I will move Pro over here, and then I will fix painting in the right place. Okay, so Pro painters, I have designed the logo, guys. You can see it's looking quite good. Okay, and if you want to select it together and move it around, okay, you can do that as well. Okay, you have to just drag and drop. It's just drag and drop system. Okay, so Pro painters is done, and you can basically give this some other font as well. You can change the font using this as well. So you can come here and you can see, guys. Okay, so painters, this one is looking better. This one capital, and for Pro we can select another font. So you can just select different fonts and colors in order to make it stand out, you know. So you can see that I am selecting different fonts from here. It's very easy, guys. You just have to play around this a bit and you do it. Okay, I will select this and I will make it large. Okay, and I will bring it here. I will make P capital. Okay, and then I will drag it here. Go printers. Okay, guys. So this looks quite good. Okay, this is the same way, guys. You can design your logo and deliver it to your clients. Okay, this is very good quality work, right? So after you're done, guys, you have to click save and download, and then you have to drop your email over here. Let's suppose hireme@gmail.com. So right now, once you click on save and continue, your project will be sent to your email. Okay, so then what you need to do is go to your email, and then you have to download the files from your email. Okay, so guys, as you can see this link, if in case you deliver this work to your clients and your clients say that, hey man, I need a revision for this, so then what you can do is just copy to clipboard. Okay, you always copy this to clipboard because this is the basically the project file. Okay, so whenever you open this, let's suppose I copied it, so I will click on Control V and I will open it. So whenever my client asks for any changes, will come here and I can do the changes here. Okay, you see, I can do the, let's suppose he told me to change the color of this one, so I can do it. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. Hope you like the video. If you like my video, make sure to leave a like on the video, and also if you're new here, make sure to subscribe my channel in order to receive all kinds of videos related to making money online, freelancing, affiliate marketing, website design, tutorials, etc, etc, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.